In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore old photos with Canva AI. Whether you're looking to bring a cherished family snapshot back to life or revitalizing an archival picture with a renewed sparkle, Canva's AI tools make the task delightfully simple and accessible to everyone. To get started on this creative journey, the first thing you'll need to do is open Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, rest assured it's a user-friendly online tool that's free for basic use. Just head over to their website and sign in or create an account if you don't have one yet. Next, once you're logged in, you can either create a new project or open an existing one. This ensures that you have a canvas ready to work on. If you're starting fresh, just click the Create a Design button and choose the size that best fits your needs. For existing files, you can locate them easily in the Your Projects section. Now that your workspace is set up, it's time to upload the image you wish to restore. On the left-hand side, you'll see the option to upload your own images. Click on it, find the image file from your computer, and wait for it to appear in your uploads. This feature is quite intuitive, and it supports a variety of image formats, making it really versatile. After the image has appeared in your uploads, simply click on it to add it to your canvas. You may need to adjust the size of the image within the workspace, ensuring it fits comfortably. Clicking the image not only positions it on the canvas, but also activates a set of editing options tailored to your needs. Directly above your canvas, on the top toolbar, you will find an option called Edit Photo. Go ahead and click it. This opens up various editing settings that are quite powerful for enhancing your image. To proceed with basic corrections, look to the left sidebar and find the Adjust button. Clicking this will give you another option called Auto Adjust. This is a great starting point as it allows Canva's AI to automatically enhance your photo by adjusting things like brightness and contrast, making it ideal for improving faded or washed out photos. If you want more control, there's an intensity slider next to Auto Adjust that you can play around with to fine-tune the enhancements. Sometimes you'll want a lighter touch or a bolder modification depending on the condition of the original photo. Another cool feature in Canva is the Magic Eraser tool. Use it to delicately remove any unwanted marks or blemishes. It's perfect for those pesky scratches or spots that might be marring your photo's beauty. Simply click on the tool and then brush over the areas you want to clean up. Once you are satisfied with the edits, it's time to save your work. Head over to the Download button, located at the top right corner of your screen. Choose the file format that works best for your needs. JPEG or PNG are typically good choices, and hit Download. You'll have your beautifully restored photo ready to share or print. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you bring a new life to your treasured old photos.